Let me introduce you to an Onic night vision device, NV8000. This night vision device can be used handheld. Can also be used head-mounted. If you wear a head, you can use the bracket in my hand. Assemble it to the helmet and use it. Let's take a look. The operation and use of this night vision device. This end is the objective. This end is the eyepiece. Words we hold. Hold the eyepiece close to the human eye. Can be used directly. This can be used to adjust the clarity. You can actually adjust the diopter here. The middle button on the left is the power button. The upper and lower keys can be used to adjust the IR light. And in the menu, you can use the up and down keys to adjust the options. The first button on the right is our menu button. It's also one of our mode switches. Long press to enter the menu. Short press yes to switch mode. Then the button in the middle is the built-in screen. The left and right switch keys can also be displayed on dual screens at the same time. The button above is used to take pictures and videos. When connecting the helmet, we need to put this bracket. First installed on our night vision goggles. Align this hole in the middle. Screw on our screw. Then, we put the bracket. Previous paragraph. Aim for the top edge of our helmets. Push this switch. Night vision goggles down. Power on and ready to use. We don't use it usually. You can turn the night vision goggles up. Now we use it in a pure black environment. Onic Night Vision NV8000. Let's turn on the IR light. Take a look at the night vision goggles. The effect of use in a pure black environment. We can focus the objective lens of the night vision goggle. As well as the IR lamp can be carried out. Adjustment of different gears. Now the IR light is turned off. You can barely see anything. And look at the pattern. First a green one. Purple. Black and white.